Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to pin tab on Google Chrome. Friends, by the help of this feature, you don't need to open your favorite websites again and again on your Google Chrome browser. All the pinned websites will be automatically available when you open your Google Chrome browser. So to pin a website on your browser, you simply need to open the website. Like for example, I will open rediff.com. Now suppose I want to pin this website, then I simply need to right click on the tab and here I need to click on pin. Now this website is pinned on my Google Chrome browser. Like this I can pin multiple websites. Now I will open and pin another website. Now to pin this website I need to right click on the tab and here click on pin. Now I have pinned two websites on my Google Chrome browser. Now if I close this browser and again open my Chrome browser, then my pinned websites will be automatically available. So friends, like this you can very easily pin tab on Google Chrome browser. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.